Nokia One, the company's first smartphone running Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, recently went on sale in India. It's the company's most affordable handset and has the ability to use Xpress On exchangeable covers that lets users personalize its looks. Let's see what you get in the box. First comes the handset, which is quite simply packed into a thin plastic bag. Can't really expect much of a fuss considering its price. So this is the phone itself. We'll keep this aside for now. Next comes the basic documents. Under those are USB cable and a pair of headphones. It's nice of Nokia to bundle headphones at this price. Finally, there's the charger and the battery, which is packed separately. Now we'll just put this in the phone for now and boot it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when we have new videos. The Nokia One price in India is 5,499 rupees and the smartphone is available across mobile phone outlets in the country. It comes in dark blue and warm red color options. Meanwhile, the Xpress On covers have been priced at 450 rupees and are available in azure and grey or yellow and pink. These covers are available separately. So that is a quick unboxing of the new Nokia One. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.